Hi, in this video tutorial I am going to say regarding SEO and how you can write SEO optimized blog post, and this is called on-page SEO. Okay. So whenever you have blog and we are writing this post, and we didn't care about the SEO, then obviously this will be meaningless until we do some SEO related tasks. So to rank your post, obviously to bring your post in search result at the first page of the Google, obviously you need to do SEO. If you haven't done SEO, then neither your blog will be ranked nor your post will be ranked. Only you will be satisfied with yourself writing on the post, but nowhere it will be shown, right? So SEO is a very important fact, and this is obviously good point is that we can do free SEO on our post. Okay, so how we can do this ones? Okay, let's start our topic. Okay, this is my blog, obviously. Okay, and I have written here some blog tutorial and some blog posts regarding WordPress. Okay, and this is my YouTube channel. Please consider subscribing. Obviously you will get informative video in this channel. Okay, so as per our subject to write on the post, just log in your dashboard. After then, when you create post, I will tell you what you have to consider. Just first thing, you have to set up the Yoast plugin, because Yoast plugin obviously one popular plugin. This is excellent for SEO purpose. Okay, it suggests us SEO related things, what we have to do, what we have to change to improve our SEO factor. Okay, so just go to your plugin and install plugin. Okay, add plugin, then you can install. Just go to, and after then just click add here. I think you know how to add this plugin, so I am not doing anyway. I am showing you this one, Yoast. Just type here Yoast. This is the Yoast SEO. Okay, this is the Yoast SEO plugin by Yoast. You have to install this plugin. Okay, just install and activate this plugin. After then go to create your post. So when you have this plugin installed, then it will show you the rank of SEO on your post. Each post you can see here I have post and what is the rank here, and actually I have no time to some improve my post, that's why some is still here is yellow, and this is SEO optimized. This is 100% of SEO optimized post. Okay, so how I do this for SEO for this one, you can see here. So Yoast, it is giving good rank. Always see there should be green signal on Yoast. Okay, then this means your post is optimized. Okay, for SEO. If there is no green, then obviously you can do something to change into this one green. It will suggest you. Actually you have to not have to do anything yourself. Yoast will suggest what you have to improve, then you do according to Yoast. And readability and SEO should be good both. First thing, your title and this permalink. This is permalink. Always then as per your post title, same permalink you can give, and you can change this permalink. Always should be your post title in your permalink. Okay, you can set up from going setting, and you can see some cases here our permalink is appearing here, date and some number, so something wrong is appearing, so it will not obviously rank your post into for SEO factor. Okay, so always permalink should be your post title. Okay, so you can set this setting from permalink setting. Just go to setting and permalink, and you can go here permalink setting. Okay, post name, you can always check post name for your permalink. Okay, after then first thing is this one. Second thing, sorry, it is taking. Okay, so second thing, same title, you can title copy paste here and give the head one. Okay, in your blog post always there should be one, at least only one head one. Okay, h1 head one. Okay, so select this one, head one. Okay, and give the image, there should be image for your post always. So whatever your post is related, give the image of same thing, and this image should be copyright free. So to do this one, you can just go to Google and just search copyright free image and just add here. Okay, and when you add image, you should give your image all attribute as per your post title. Okay, same post title, you should always focus on your alternative text. This is all attribute, so Google will recognize, or your SEO factor will recognize this images for this category. Okay, so always focus this one. All alternative text should be always as per your blog topics. Okay, and second, another factor, at least some keyword, some same topics you can put in your website or 3 or 4 times like this. First time I give this heading, always your post title should be in heading h1. Okay, this is really good factor. After then, in you can create head 2, head 3, but always create one time head 1. After then, in your first paragraph also, this first paragraph you should give the your blog title here. Okay, make it little bold and give here blog title. Blog title same. So 3-4 times in your website you can give the blog title. Okay, this is good. As much as more as you can give, this is considered good point. Then you can put head 2. This is my head 2. Okay, this is also head 2. As much as you want to give, you can give head 2, no problem. So always give this all attribute. You can see whatever image I have given here, I have given same alternative text. So you can see here, right? So after that, obviously give some link, add the some external link or internal link in your website. There is link, you can see this is my link. Okay, this is how to do site map from Google Map. This is link, this is my internal link, and some external link also you can give. 3-4 link at least you can give. Okay, after then always there should be, after you came down to your blog post, you can see here readability and focus keyword. Okay, you should consider these two. So focus keyword should be always same as per your blog title. Okay, so same I gave here. Okay, and you can see here what is the my SEO score here, all is green, and some still need to be improved, but this doesn't matter. Okay, it is already green, so this is simple thing, doesn't matter. But if you improve this one also, if you became able to convert all into green, this is excellent. Okay, so try to make your blog post is green anyway. So it is suggesting me what I need to do more to improve. So it is saying the SEO title is too short, so I have to increase this a little more, but I cannot because this is my title, right? This doesn't matter, and focus keyword doesn't appear in the URL of the page, okay? But I have already put in my URL what I don't know what it is saying, but it is not mattering to me, okay? So same thing is here, so it is suggesting uh, after then focus keyword you can go to readability. Same thing you can see here, okay? What is the score? Anyway, your green score should be high, and after then click on edit snippet, okay? Then slog you can keep the same as per your blog title. Then you can put the meta description, because meta description is very important in our website. So I'll search this topics in Google, how it looks like. It is ranked in Google or not, you can see here. To check your post, either it is inside Google or no, just type is the title of the post, then BTK. This is my blog title only. Just give the initial name of the blog. Google will recognize or not this one. If recognize, then your blog is obviously inside Google, right? Already indexed. So yes, it is here, you can see, and this is whatever here is shown, this is meta description. So meta description describes something more about your website, so visitor will see what they need exactly from here. Whenever within the website is website, its posts and content need to be reached to maximum people, right? So it is something here, so just you give some content here, okay? Just so you can copy paste from here, from the first paragraph, this one, and you can just put, but put that should match exactly as per your title of the website, okay? This focus keyword exactly should be here, and meta description also should be same, include your focus keyword, okay? You can see from here snippet, so same focus keyword as was your blog title is included here. So you can write in meta description something that your post is saying, and you can put your title of blog here, but you should arrange this one as per your this sentence, okay? It is saying so there would be free SEO tools for website, but the matter anyway it should be green here, and it should include your focus keyword or this blog title, okay? If you do this much things in your blog, then obviously your blog will rank, and after this blog you have to submit this blog in Google Search Console, okay? If you have submitted already in sitemap, then you have to open Google Search Console, then you have to paste this blog title in your Google Search Console. So I'll make another tutorial regarding this one. So for today only this much. From this post I think you learned how to write blog post for full with SEO, okay? So you can see my score here now. Maximum point are green, this means, and top Yoast SEO score is green, so this means this is optimized for SEO, okay? So thank you for seeing this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe and comment, and if you have any things to say anymore, you can comment, so I'll reply you. Thank you very much for seeing this video.